Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining back on here on my YouTube channel. My name is JayTee, but you can just call me JT. If today's your first time stumbling into my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. So today, as you guys can tell from the title, I am doing a collaboration with Briana. I am doing a spring collaboration with a fellow makeup artist and also a YouTuber. She's based in Chicago and her name is Briana. Some of you might know her as Briana and some might know her as BMarie. Some of you might know her as the Cut Crease Queen. I think she's the Cut Crease Queen. I stumbled upon her channel on here on YouTube. I didn't know her on IG initially, but I found her on YouTube. What caught my attention was her cut crease. When I say she can do a cut crease, she is the cut crease queen. She actually taught me most of my cut crease looks, and I say that in the sense that I watched her tutorial and that was how I got better with my cut crease. Those of you that know me from when I started doing makeup, you know I tend to stay away from cut crease. One, because I felt like it was too dramatic, and two, I felt like I wasn't good at it. But after watching a couple of her videos, I got comfortable with doing it and I saw that cut crease is actually really pretty. It just depends on how you do it and the colors and all that stuff. I feel very special and very honored to be doing this collaboration with her, and we decided to do a spring collaboration, so that's what we're going to be doing. Like I said, I don't want to ramble too much, so we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial. I'm going to be doing my brows off camera. I'm gonna leave an annotation right up there somewhere, either here or there, where you can watch my brow tutorial. If you guys would like to see an updated brow tutorial, please do let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be glad to do another one. But without further ado, let's just jump right into this tutorial. I'm gonna do my brows off camera, so I'll be right back. When it comes to spring makeup, I always think of pinks. I always think of, you know, soft pinks, purple, yellow, glowy, skin looking glowy, dewy. I think of spring as, you know, when your makeup is not so dramatic, but it looks very youthful. You look very vibrant, very, you know, good looking. I kind of have an idea of the look that I want, but so I'm going to be going into the Modern Renaissance palette. To start off the look, I'm going to be taking the shade Burnt Orange with a fluffy crease brush. I'm just gonna pack that onto my brush. I'm going to use that to start to warm up my crease. Using the same fluffy crease brush, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm also going to be placing that in my crease. And I'm placing it slightly below where I place Burnt Orange. Switching into a much more detailed brush, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and that's Love Letter. Going back into my fluffy crease brush, I'm going to be taking more of Burnt Orange. Now to add some more depth to my crease, going back into that same crease brush, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Back into Love Letter and that fluffy crease brush. And I'm going to take in this angled concealer brush and Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C11, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Back into my fluffy crease brush, I'm going to be taking Love Letter and CYPRUS Umber, mixing those two shades together. I'm going to use that to kind of blend out the edge of my cut crease. And then for my lid color, I'm going to be taking ABH single eyeshadow in Fresh. I'm gonna place this like 1/3 of my eyelid. Then I'm going to be going into this BH Cosmetic Party Girl palette, and I'll be taking this shade right here. It's like a soft pink, and I'll place that right next to Fresh. Now, because it's a spring look and I do not want the eyes to be too dramatic, I'm going to be taking this soft pink pencil, which is from MAC Jacob, and it's their eyeliner in the shade Pink of Me. And I'm going to use that to line my waterline. I'm also not going to line my lash line, and the lashes I'm using today is from Lamour Mink Lash, and it's in the style Abelia. Because I want my skin to be a bit dewy today, I'm going to go ahead and use my Skindinivia primer spray first. And once that settles in, I'm going to be going in with my Makeup Forever Step 1 because I do have oily skin, so just to balance that out. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation, and I'm going to be mixing the shade 356 and 334. And then for highlight today, I'm going to be trying the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles. It's the new shades that they have, so I picked up the shade Caramel. I couldn't find any other color, so I just picked up this because I really wanted to try it because I've been hearing good stuff about it. So let's hope Caramel works for me. Okay. Taking the Makeup Addiction Beauty Sponge, I'm gonna blend that out. Now I'm going to be taking Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder, and I'm going to use that to set the concealer. To set my entire face, I'm going to be taking the Loreal Infallible powder, and this is the shade 700. Now time to add some dimension to my face. I'm going to be taking Black Radiance contour palette, and this is the shade dark, medium to dark, and I'm gonna start to warm up my face. Then for blush today, I'm going to be taking LaFemme blushes in Precious Plum. I'm gonna skip smoking out my bottom lash line. I'm just gonna go in with my mascara. I'm going to be trying a new product today, which is the Mario's facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this, but this is my first time trying it. I heard it's not really a setting spray, but it does make your, your skin feels nice after makeup, so let's see. Smells good. For glow today, I'm going to be taking Makeup Addiction Holy Glow Volume 2, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Alright dolls, so here completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you dolls will check out Briana's look with this collaboration. I hope you guys, you know, subscribe to our channel. I'm sure you guys are already subscribed to our channel, but if you're not, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I really had fun creating this look like every other look. I love pinks, I love purple, and I can rock those, you know, either spring, summer, winter, or fall. But I really love how this complements the blonde, and also how it looks springish, I think. What do you guys think? Make sure I don't have... Oh yes, I do. I cannot wait to see what Briana comes up with for this collaboration. I know she's gonna kill it, and I already know her look next to mine is gonna look very crappy, but like I said, she is the Cut Crease Queen, so this is not at her level. So, but once again, I do enjoy creating this look, and I also appreciate Briana collaborating with me. I hope we can do more of this, and like I said at the beginning, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Be sure to check out my description box, because I'll be leaving a link to Briana's look and also a link to our channel. I'm also gonna link, and I'll also link her IG page as well, so you guys, so yeah, check out my girl, okay? I'm sure you guys already know the hair that I'm working in this tutorial, but for those of you that do not know, this is Lola's hair. This is Lola's hair full lace front wig. It's a new wig line. I believe it should be out by now. If it's not, don't quote me, but if it is, I'm gonna leave a link to our website in my description box. I don't want to leave, but I gotta go right now. I got a flight to go catch, so I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye dolls.